Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting exact materials: one wooden block, 4 wheels, 2 axles, glue and sandpaper so you avoid interruptions. Begin by marking wheel centers about 1/2 from the block bottom. This ensures the train rides level. Drill 0.5 cm pilot holes to keep axles straight, then saw the block to final length, quick, confident cuts. Once done, sand corners and surfaces. This creates adhesion and prevents splinters. So you now fit axles and wheels. This is where precision matters. Push axles through pilot holes and spin each wheel. If it binds, widen the hole a hair, then retest. Once free rolling, secure axles with a dab of glue or a tiny nail so they don't shift under stress. Next, attach body details. Glue the cabin and chimney, shaping them to keep the center of mass low. Make sure weight distribution is even, otherwise the train will derail or tip when pushed. You finish by priming and painting in thin coats to avoid drips and added weight. Let each coat dry 20-30 minutes for a smooth finish. After full cure, test the toy on a straight track at walking and brisk push speeds. Watch for wobble, binding, or veering. If it misbehaves, address one variable at a time. Realign an axle, sand down a high wheel spot, or shift internal weight slightly. A common fix: loosen, reseat, then tighten the axle to eliminate binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.